Hello, I welcome you to our live stream from Katrin Ernie. I teach Swiss German and I want to tell you what we will be doing tonight in our VIP Swiss German course. We will go on a trip. We won't sit around on the weekend and watch TV. We will go on a trip to Gruyère. Wir sind doch noch nie zu Gruyère gsi, oder? We have never been to Gruyère before, no? Have you ever been to Gruyère before? So maybe you can find out something more. It's not only a cheese, it's also a town, a small medieval town in the French part of Switzerland. Das wär etwas. Oh, das wär etwas. That would be something. Yes, that's a good idea. Are you also looking for ideas what you want to do on the weekends? So maybe you can go and visit Gruyere if you don't live too far away. Or maybe when you visit Switzerland one day. Yes, so in our live stream we will talk about Gruyere, the town, what we can do there. Soon it's Christmas market season, so they also have a Christmas market. And then we will talk about the castle or the museum, which is there, the Giger Museum. I don't know if you know H.R. Giger. He's a famous Swiss artist, but not everyone likes his art. Maybe you like it. And then we will ask, was ist Museum oder was ist Schloss? Was willst du machen? What do you want to do? And then finally we go to a cheese shop and buy some really good Gruyere cheese and other cheese. In our cheese shops you can find plenty of different sorts of cheese. Also, welches ist deine Lieblingskäse? Which cheese is your favorite cheese? Welches ist deine Lieblingskäse? Hast du gern Gruyère? Oder hast du lieber Emmentaler? Was ist das für ein Käse? You can also ask. Was ist das für ein Käse? What kind of cheese is this? So we go on a shopping tour to buy cheese and then we go home again. So I invite you to our trip on our Swiss German lesson. We have this theme because the Gruyere, the Swiss cheese, won the gold prize in the World Cheese Awards, which were more than a week ago in Bern. So the Gruyere cheese won from a cheese factory or cheese place in Gantrisch, won the first prize for their Gruyere cheese. That's why we go to Gruyere and explore this part of Switzerland in the French-speaking part. But why not? We have to move around and get to know different places in Switzerland. Okay, so I see you tonight for Swiss German, or the same thing we will do tomorrow in our High German class, in the German Dog VIP course. Subscribe and check it out for 7 days for free. I will be happy to meet you there. Tschüss!